The GI stand comes with a base clamp unit, a super clamp system, which allows you to clamp to flat surfaces like this table. Or if we take out this wedge, we can also fix to more angular systems or round surfaces. So I'm going to clip this to the desk like so, using the larger lever on the back, which gives me extra leverage to make it tighter and allowing me to connect our arm mechanism to the body. And then using these quick shift levers, we can adjust all of the different angles, because we know our users are never in the same position twice. We can adjust height, position, left and right, safely, lock with confidence. And then we're going to adjust the UDA lastly, like so.